Okay, in this video I want to talking about some basics in HTML, and in the basics I want to talking about discovering HTML and tags. Is to tell us some basic facts of HTML, and majorly in HTML what we use is tag. So to start with, because HTML is the computer language that structures all the web page used on the internet. It tells web browser how to display content like images, links, text on a web page, how to structure a web page, how things are structured on a web page. So basically what we use on HTML is tags. So I want to start by a button tag. Button, this is the opening tag, so it must also end with the closing tag. So between it you can write send, or let me use login. So this one is a button tag. Another one is this p tag is for paragraph. Maybe you want to write a paragraph on a web page, so you create this tag, then you write what you intend to put in the paragraph in the middle of the opening and the closing tag. The first part is the opening tag, while the second part is the closing tag. You can write anything you like, but let me just write something there. Random on roses. Is grass on kittens. So this is a paragraph. So I said earlier, basically what we use in HTML is tags. So another tags that you can encounter is the heading tag. So to start first, I will use the h1. So the heading, you can use the heading, so you just put the text inside the heading tag. Beside of life. I'm just using all these things to make examples. So that's about tags. So there are many kind of tags that we have, so I'm just using this one as example. So you can just open it here and see how it goes. So see how it also it works. Then you can go back to your Visual Studio Code, but I want to structure it a little bit. I'll just, in the first place, what I did was just to make example of this task. So to structure it, normally the heading should come first. The heading should come first. H1, that should be the first heading. If you are going to be having another heading in your web page, it will be H2. So H1 will start this one. I want to put my favorite things. Then paragraph. Random sorry, rain drops on roses. So I want to introduce another tag called the break tag. In those tags I've mentioned earlier, it has a open and a closing tag, but this one does not have a closing tag. So it is just used to break a paragraph. Maybe you are writing something and you want it to start from the next line. So this tag is used to break the text. So it will make this text start from the next line. You see it better when I preview it. Whiskers, on kittens, I want also to use the break tag. Then bright copper, okay. Just want to break it again. Then warm woolen meetings. So this, let's view how these things goes. I'm using the live server. So see how this goes. Instead of having like a long line text, this break tag began to break it so that it will look like this. Alright, this is some basic part of HTML to start with. Thank you very much.